Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Otter.ai integration for automatic action items, full guide step by step clearly. To update your Otter.ai integration for automatic action items, begin by logging into your Otter.ai account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Integrations section found in the Settings menu. Identify the current application you want to update for integration. Click on the Edit icon next to the application name to access the integration settings. Review the current permissions and settings for the application. Ensure that the necessary permissions are enabled for automatic action item creation. If any permissions are disabled, toggle them on to allow for full functionality. Next, check for any updates available for the Otter.ai integration. If updates are available, click on the Update button to install them. Wait for the installation process to complete before proceeding. Once updated, return to the integration settings. Revisit the permissions to confirm they are configured correctly. Next, verify your action item settings in Otter.ai. To do this, go to the Action Items section within your settings. Adjust any preferences based on your requirements for automatic action items. After making your adjustments, save all changes to ensure they are applied. Now, conduct a test meeting or recording to check if the integration functions as expected. During the test, look for the automatic action items being generated in real time. If everything works correctly, your Otter.ai integration is successfully updated. If you encounter any issues, refer to the troubleshooting guide on the Otter.ai support page for assistance. This completes the update process for your Otter.ai integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.